You gonna sing with me? Remember to sing happy birthday.
One.
Ready?
3.
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John John. Happy birthday to you.
One time.
Let Jonathan blow it up, baby.
Go.
Go.
Go, baby John John. Baby John John.
Blow, John, blow.
Like this. Go. Yeah. Go, baby John. Do it. Go.
Go.
Go, blow, no!
John.
Blow. Blow.
John.
Go. Like this.
No.
He's like, no, give me the cake.
Give us the cake. Okay, let her blow it up.
Yeah, blow.
Hey, play well.
Yay! Baby John John.
John. I feel kind of warm. How'd your sleeves get all wet? Cause water. Where is the water?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, in the bathroom.
Nice, John. Is it good?
I don't remember John John's first birthday. Whoa. Are we here?
I don't think so.
Give me some.
No, I think it was.
Okay,
It was
for
during
you.
the week, so it was kind of hard.
Yeah, I think actually I was traveling.
No, this is baby John John.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
Did you take some pictures of us?
Good job, John. All right, let's put you down and we'll get you a
Alright,
piece of
you
cake.
did
Put it on the plate. Put it on the plate, Jose.
Oh, all right.
Okay, now let's take that plate off so we can put it over here. So John
What do you say to John, Josie? You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You say bye-bye?
Can you sing happy birthday to your brother one more time? Happy birthday to you. All right.
Jeff first.
Send all the pictures.
Alright, Jeff first.
You want me to?
Josie wants cake.
Okay.
Everyone's getting one. Let me get